Did you miss the dot-com boom at the beginning of the new millennium? How would you like another chance to profit by investing in what is the most significant cultural development in the history of the Internet? Due to the explosive interest in the Internet by English-speaking users alone, Latin character-based premium domain names continue to be bought and sold in public and private transactions for hundreds of thousands of dollars, and in many cases, literally millions of dollars each. Imagine if you could have been one of the very first to buy some of the world's best .com domain names back in the late 1990s and early 2000s, only to resell them just a few years later for many thousands or even millions of dollars. What if you found out that there was an even more explosive opportunity right here and right now? Well, you can stop imagining and start planning, because .ws World Site International Domain Names is now a powerful and real opportunity that is calling you to participate. For the moment, availability of what will surely be considered planet Earth's premium domain names is the highest it will ever be. Are you going to miss out on the .ws boom? Or will you look back someday and be grateful that you were fortunate enough to stake your own claim in the gold rush that is truly global? Global Domains International is the exclusive worldwide registry for all .ws World Site domain names on planet Earth. Get in on the ground floor with .ws World Site International Domain Names. Create your own prosperous legacy by taking advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Be ahead of the game. .ws World Site International Domain Names. Stake your claim today.